upon a time, in a lush green jungle, all the animals lived happily together until a fierce lion arrived. The lion was strong and powerful but also very greedy. Every day, he hunted many animals. The frightened animals called a jungle meeting. "We must stop the lion," said the wise elephant. The animals made a plan. "We'll send one animal to your cave every day," they said. The lion agreed. One day, it was the turn of a little rabbit. He was small, but very smart and very brave. The rabbit reached late. The lion roared, "Why are you late?" But the rabbit replied calmly, "Another lion stopped me." The rabbit led the lion to a deep well and said, "Look, that lion is hiding there." The lion jumped into attack, but splash! He fell into the well and never came back. All the animals cheered and danced with joy. The jungle was safe again, thanks to the brave little rabbit. And the moral of the story is, wisdom and courage are stronger than strength. Thanks for watching. If you like my story, please subscribe and share for more stories.